This lecture, America and the Great War, will discuss what factors led to American involvement by 1917. The war begins. When the war began in Europe, the U.S. was decidedly neutral. Their policy of isolationism, originally the Monroe Doctrine, specified that they would not be drawn into world affairs that did not affect their national interests. President Woodrow Wilson reaffirmed this policy and declared neutrality in 1914. The war progresses. The war was lasting longer than expected. Millions were dying, yet the U.S. continued to remain neutral. However, one event drew the U.S. closer to war, the sinking of the Lusitania in 1915. This was a British passenger ship carrying Americans that was sunk by a German U-boat in the Atlantic. In order to avoid American involvement in the war, Germany agreed to stop unrestricted submarine warfare. America threatened. The war continued and America's security was endangered. The Germans had resumed unrestricted submarine warfare, and the Zimmermann telegram was discovered revealing Germany's attempt to try and convince Mexico to declare war on the U.S. The Mexicans refused. America felt they were now directly threatened and declared war on Germany on April 6, 1917. Some key facts about the U.S. and World War I. U.S. forces were led by General John Pershing. Over 2 million soldiers would fight. African Americans would continue to be discriminated against, and over 115,000 American soldiers died during the war. The Battle of Belleau Wood. In the summer of 1918, the Germans attempted their last offensive. The Americans halted their advance at Belleau Wood, forcing the Germans to retreat past the Marne River. This prevented the Germans from taking Paris and signified the end of German advances. American impact on World War I. The topic of America's influence on the outcome of World War I is always contentious. Some argue that the Triple Entente were already on the verge of winning prior to American involvement, while others conclude that American intervention tipped the balance in favor of the Triple Entente. Either way, the guns fell silent on November 11, 1918.